Samsung has been making great strides in developing Android 15 for its devices, and the Galaxy S23 FE is no exception. If you're a proud owner of this smartphone, you might be wondering when it will receive the latest software updates. Well, we got some exciting news for you. Internal test builds of Android 15 for the Galaxy S23 FE have recently been spotted, signaling that the long-awaited One UI 7.0 update is on the horizon. Test firmware, which was found on Samsung's servers, is different from beta firmware. This type of software is used for internal testing to ensure the system runs smoothly and efficiently on devices. Beta firmware, on the other hand, is typically made available to a limited group of users who get to try out the new features before the official public release. However, not all devices participate in beta testing. In the case of the Galaxy S23 FE, it's likely the device won't be part of the One UI 7.0 beta program, as Samsung usually reserves these beta updates for its flagship models such as the Galaxy S series. The good news is that while the Galaxy S23 FE might miss out on early access to Android 15, it'll still receive the official update once it's ready for release. Historically, Samsung prioritizes the latest flagship models for beta updates. For example, Android 15 beta firmware has already been spotted for the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup, which isn't surprising since Samsung tends to push beta updates to its newest devices first. Other models, including older flagships and mid-range devices, typically receive the update a few weeks later. One thing to keep in mind is that Samsung's fan edition models, like the S23 FE, tend to be left out of the beta testing phase. While this might be disappointing for some, it's important to remember that the S23 FE will still get the full Android 15 update once it's officially rolled out. Samsung's commitment to providing software updates to its fan edition devices ensures that users will get the latest features, even if they're not the first ones to experience them. With One UI 7.0, you can expect some exciting new features and improvements to your device. Samsung typically introduces enhanced user interface elements, improved system performance, and new tools that make the device even more functional. Whether it's better multitasking capabilities, more customizable options, or improved battery optimization, One UI 7.0 will likely bring some great changes to the Galaxy S23 FE. As with all major software updates, it will bring the latest security patches and bug fixes as well, ensuring that your device remains safe and up to date. For those who are eagerly awaiting Android 15, the wait might feel long, but remember, the update will arrive eventually. And when it does, your Galaxy S23 FE will get all the benefits of the latest version of Android, including smoother performance, fresh features, and better integration with other Samsung devices and services. In the meantime, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for any news about the release date of Android 15. While the specific timeline for the Galaxy S23 FE isn't confirmed yet, Samsung has a history of rolling out updates within a few months of announcing beta releases for its flagship models. So even though the fan edition might not get the update as early as the S series, it's only a matter of time before the S23 FE gets its turn. In conclusion, while the Galaxy S23 FE may not be part of the Android 15 beta program, you can rest assured that it will receive the full update once it's officially released. Stay patient, and when One UI 7.0 arrives, it's sure to bring some fantastic improvements to your device, making the wait worth it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the video.